what should be our relationship with the earth? What exactly should be our relationship with nature? This is a very important question, and most people, unfortunately, answer it wrong. And answering this question wrong is what throws the whole environmental movement out of whack. G.K. Chesterton, however, gives us the right answer to that question. He explains that nature is not our mother. Nature is our sister, because we both have the same father. We can be proud of her beauty, we can laugh at her and love her and watch out for her, but she has no authority over us.
To talk of the purpose of nature is to make a vain attempt to avoid being anthropomorphic, merely by being feminist. It is believing in a goddess because you are too skeptical to believe in a god.